Hello, I'm Rebecca Godfrey, Director at Diamond PV Services. Many changes have taken place over the last 12 months at Diamond PV, so I would like to take this opportunity to update you on where we are today and how we might assist you and your clinical trials. Over the past year, our clinical trial side of the business has expanded greatly, which has led in more recent months to the development of two divisions within Diamond PV: the Post-Authorization Pharmacovigilance Division and the Clinical and Specialty Division. My colleague Keith Cormack and his team look after the Post-Authorization Pharmacovigilance business, providing pharmacovigilance support and services to marketing authorization holders. Myself and the team in Clinical and Specialty support a range of clients involved in the clinical trial, named patient and compassionate use environments. We work closely with clinical project management teams, whether it is that of the client or working with other third parties of the client's choice, to provide drug safety support to studies ranging from small single-centre UK-based studies to much larger international multi-centre trials. The team at Diamond PV is currently providing pharmacovigilance support for studies taking place in countries around the world, including those in Europe, as well as India, Sri Lanka, Australia, New Zealand, Canada and the US. In addition, our team has experience in managing pharmacovigilance for studies taking place in South America, parts of Africa and the Middle East. We provide full pharmacovigilance support, including case management, from receipt, data capture, narrative writing, follow-up and medical review, to distribution of individual safety reports to competent authorities, ethics committees and investigator sites around the world. We prepare and distribute cumulative safety reports, including 6 monthly safety reports and annual safety reports, and are currently moving to the new Development Safety Update report, which comes online later this year. Throughout, we actively track all activities to ensure successful and timely submission and follow-up of safety reports. These processes are made easier by the availability to clients of a secure and dedicated RSG safety database, an internationally recognised pharmacovigilance database allowing accurate and secure data capture of safety information, and which can be used to prepare CEOMS and MedWatch safety reporting forms, line listings for reports and signal detection, as well as allowing quick and easy electronic reporting via the EudraVigilance database. At the beginning of each study, we assign a clinical trial project manager, allowing the client to have a point of contact for all safety inquiries and support, from protocol design and review, through the clinical phase to study closeout. Our management style is a proactive one. When we look after a study for a client, we take on the responsibility to ensure compliance for the client and have much experience acting as the responsible person for EudraVigilance for clinical trial sponsors within the EU. We maintain close links with the overall project management team by meeting with the clinical teams on a regular and frequent basis, thereby allowing the pharmacovigilance team to be fully aware of the progress of the study and any issues which might arise. Whilst our links are strong with the sponsor and the clinical management teams, being a distinct entity allows for the clear separation required for the management of safety reporting in blinded clinical trials. As clinical trial specialists, Diamond PV are at the forefront of any changes to pharmacovigilance obligations at a global and national level. We maintain this by performing monthly and quarterly research into the ever-changing national and international regulations and legislation, as well as attending conferences and symposia led by industry leaders and regulatory agencies on numerous occasions throughout the year. We look forward to bringing you further developments at Diamond PV. In the meantime, should you have any queries relating to pharmacovigilance in general or the services we offer, please don't hesitate to contact us.